Let's build some strength today with crow pose. Crow pose, hands shoulder width apart, bend the elbows and move your weight forward until your feet leaves the ground. This is step number 1. Lift one foot, lift the other foot. Now, just like a plane, when you're flying, you don't want to be flying with your landing wheels hanging down. You want to pull them together and up into the cargo. This is the most common mistake for beginners, is that we lift the index finger and move our elbows out to the side. We point them out like this. This is not good for our wrists, and we don't get the benefit of squeezing our elbows in and being tight. So squeeze the elbows, heels up, and lift as high as you can. Other fun things you can do from crow. Start with crow, slowly dip your head until you're in clown pose. You can go up into headstand, shrug your shoulders the opposite way, so shoulders to the ceiling, come back down to clown pose, press into the fingers, come back to crow. I hope you guys liked crow pose. More arm balances are coming up later when I get the feedback from you guys how you like this one. See you in the next video, or see you on the mat.